Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on Clipboard on the keyboard on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that the clipboard on the phone keyboard is a temporary storage area that holds recently copied text, image, or other content, allowing you to paste them elsewhere, and it essentially acts as a buffer between copying and pasting and enabling you to reuse items without recopying. And how to activate the clipboard on your keyboard is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Alright, the first thing first, now you can show your own keyboard like this, and then click on the side and then clipboard, and then now you can turn it on, and then here the clipboard. And if you want to add some text, now you can click on the pencil icon, and then now you can write, and then the clip will be appear on the clipboard side. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.